Hello and welcome to another Kayvan crafted video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a bit sharpener. As you see, pretty simple, just a nut and a bolt. And although it's not the best design, it is definitely among the simplest design out there. If you'd like to see how to build one of these, watch this video. All you will need for this project is one of these long knots, also known as a coupling knot, and a matching thread bolt. I chose the M10 size because it will accept most bits. You can choose a different size depending on your needs. I'm going to drill 3 different sizes of holes on one edge of the knot. To do so, first I have to grind that edge to make another flat surface, and then mark the spots. I start drilling all the 3 holes first with a 3mm bit. Then I re-drill the second hole with a 6mm bit and the third one with a 10mm. This arrangement of overlapped holes leads to a beautiful, almost triangular shape. I use a triangular file to give the inner shape a smoother look. Later in this video, you will see how this triangular shape will help us to easily mount different sizes of bit. Now all we need to do is put a bit in there and tighten the bolt. Broken or dull, it doesn't really matter. Notice how the center line on the bit's tip is aligned with the knot's edge. Now here I just tried to demonstrate the basics of how you should sharpen the bit after mounting it by using just an angle grinder, which has relatively a rough surface. Of course, you can always have better results by continuing with a finer sharpening stone or some finer sanding peppers. There you go, a very practical and useful piece of equipment that might come in handy someday and save you from trouble. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment. I will answer all the